Hello guys! Welcome sa ating z-knowledgeTV. Sa AutoCAD video series na ito, I will introduce you the CAD software. Ang tutorial na ito ay para sa mga complete beginner in AutoCAD who has absolutely no knowledge to this software. So, dito sa AutoCAD video series, mag-i-start tayo sa basics. Pag-aaralan natin ng AutoCAD user interface, understanding the units, making basic drawings, we'll use object snaps to make precise drawings, working with layers and blocks, working with dimensions, and last, we'll print our drawing. So, lahat ng ito ay pag-aaralan natin dito sa ating tutorial. Pero, before tayo mag-start, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos. So, let's get started. Sa ating previous videos, natalakay na natin ang unang command, which is the move command, on how we could modify our existing drawing. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa napapanood o gusto nyo ulit balikan sa mga naunang videos natin, pwede nyo i-click ang link sa description box ng video nito. Okay? So sa video na ito, we will describe how to duplicate geometry in the drawing by using the copy command. Since the inception of computer-aided design, one of the biggest benefits has been the ability to easily copy geometry and use it in other places on the drawing instead of having to manually redraw the geometry when you need it. So let's start in our second lesson on how we can create new objects from existing objects. In conventional drafting, one of the most time-consuming tasks is to duplicate an object. You use the copy command to quickly create duplicates of objects at a specified distance from the original. After starting the copy command and selecting the objects to copy, you then specify the base point where the object is being copied from, followed by the second point or displacement where the object is being copied to. So to create multiple copies, simply continue specifying second points or displacement values. Okay, so do not confuse the copy command with other similar copy commands found on the shortcut menu. If you select an object and right-click anywhere in the drawing, the copy and copy with the base point options appear on the shortcut menu. So these options copy geometry to the clipboard, as in other standard Windows applications, making the geometry available to paste in other drawings. So these are the guidelines when using the copy command. So first, when you specify the base point for the copy, it should be on or near the object being copied unless you are using other objects to define a reference vector for the copy. So second, by default, the option for noun word selection is turned on in the software. This enables you to select the objects to copy prior to starting the copy command. So, let's proceed first on how we copy objects with the use of copy command. So, the following steps describe an overview for copying objects in the drawing. So, marami tayong paraan para magamit yung ating copy command. So, pwedeng under the ribbon area, which is under din ng modify panel. So, ito yung ating copy command. So, pwede rin naman na i-type nyo yung copy. Okay? So, huwag nyo gagamitin yung letter C lang. Kasi pag letter C is circle siya. So, dapat buong word na copy. Or, pwedeng gamitin nyo is CO lang. Yan. So, copy pa rin siya. So, yung pinakamadali is by using your keyboard buttons. So, Control C. Pwede yun. Okay? So, let's try na gamitin yung ating copy command. So, pero bago yun, mag-create mo tayo ng ating object. Okay? So, create tayo ng ating object. Yan. And then, para mag-duplicate yan, o makapag-create tayo ng copy niyan, so, type natin copy. Ganitong shortcut na lang. Okay? Then, press enter. Okay? So, then, select natin objects na ikakopy natin. Then, press enter. Okay. So, again, like sa move command, so, specify base point natin. So, click natin yan. And then, ipunta natin kung saang point o destination mo ilalagay yung inyong duplicate object. Okay? So, again, hindi lang isang duplicate object yung pwedeng i-create. So, pwedeng maramihan. So, pwedeng maramihan. Yan. So, kapag okay na kayo sa mga copied objects nyo, so, then, so press nyo lang yung enter. So, nakapag-create tayo ng multiple drawing using our existing object. Okay? So, delete natin itong ating create ng mga objects. Then, again, let's proceed naman on how we copy objects with the use of grips ulit. So, the following steps give an overview of using grips to copy objects. So, first, select natin yung ating object para mag-activate yung grips. So, next, right-click natin anywhere in the drawing. And then, select natin yung copy selection. Okay? So, specify base point natin. So, let's say ito yung base point natin. And then, same lang ginawa natin kanina. So, ipunta natin yung mga copied objects natin kung saan destination nyo balak ilagay. So, again, multiple copied objects yung pwede nyo gamitin o ma-create. Okay, then kapag okay na kayo, so press enter nyo lang. Yan. So, meron tayong na-create na duplicate na object. Okay, so that's all. So, sa next video, we will discuss on how to change the angle of an object position naman. At para sa iba pang videos na gusto nyo pang maunawaan o malaman about sa AutoCAD, so huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang bell para maging updated kayo sa ating mga next videos. So, maraming salamat!